Flashbacks made me wish I had you back. Backtrack.
You got that fire, and I'm not a liar.
Yes, I eat a flesh, you know the rent. I wake up and I fuck on the bad bitch.
Before the video even begins, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, especially if you are new here. Make sure you guys subscribe to me, like this video, comment down below. I want to interact with you guys, so yeah, comment down below, like this video, subscribe to me. Welcome back to my channel if you already subscribed to me, and yeah, let's get into the video. Welcome guys back to another YouTube video.
What?
Let me put y'all. What can I put him? Popeyes.
This is mine, I believe.
Yeah.
Look lemony. Let me see if the
Lebanese,
griddle tastes good.
Lebanese. You look like a lemonade. Let me try it with honey. Yeah, kind of good with honey. Alright, I need some grilled chicken. I need to get into some grilled chicken. I'm not playing these little kid games. Are you not gonna eat your chicken with the ranch? You took the ranch? It fell under. Okay.
Oh, that's fine. I'm your ranch for you.
Okay. Open it up.
Open it up.
I got my sister. Show yourself.
Alright.
One day I just wanna hear you say I like you.
Okay. What a hot sauce.
That's why I seen it. Hot sauce.
Oh, this barely gave us.
Yeah. Well, she for sure gave us a lot of jam. That's what I'm still confused about.
They give us the shit that nobody wants. I don't
I'm
know.
probably trying to get rid of it.
This is cheap hot sauce. I don't like cheap hot sauce.
Is it
Oh, but it's
extra
hot sauce. It's hot sauce. It's hot sauce.
Is it egg type of hot sauce? Nah, I smell it. I smell like it belongs on them boiled eggs.
You got a ranch open.
You know,
Never mind.
you don't like it?
No, I don't like the smell. I go off smell. Even though some things might smell good.
Mama said don't be smelling food.
Who's that?
Mama.
Mommy?
Yeah.
No, I have to smell it. I don't like to deceive myself that way. And then some foods might smell good, but they taste nasty.
It's buttermilk
I
on
know,
ranch.
but it smells nasty. But let me taste it with fries. I'm not gonna dip a whole chicken and eat a whole chicken like that.
I don't know. I just like ranch.
Okay, I don't like the smell though, but it tastes good.
Try it really. This is buttery. Alright. I'm gonna jam anyways. How much yours cost?
Out my window. $10
Not bad.
for when it was 4 chicken and biscuit.
So they gave you two. How they call it? They call the drum something. They call the big red dark meat and white meat. They gave you 2 dark meat and 2 white meat. I don't know which one is which. I don't know. The dark meat is the thighs, and the white meat is. I think the white meat is the thighs.
What's the dark meat? Is this real meat?
Huh?
Is these real meat?
Yeah, it is. It's Boston.
Is he busting Chanel? Is he busting Chanel?
It's Boston. The last time I had Popeyes was at a Popeyes last year. I graduated.
I had Popeyes like 3 or 4 weeks ago when Whistle brought it home.
Really?
She left 3 pieces or 2
yeah,
pieces,
yeah.
and I ate one. I was like, ooh, and she's like, it was for your mom and your dad.
Oh yeah, I ate some.
Oh yeah, I ate some. I was like, and I was hungry too.
I know I didn't eat none. She said she looked at one for mommy, so I didn't eat none.
Yeah, I took one, so there was only one left. My face looks so fat. That's how you know I need to lose weight. And my face looks fat.
I like her mice.
Yeah. It looks like a rat.
You're right. I love their fries though. Their seasoning on the fries tastes good.
It's like what you call it? Checkers.
Yeah. I think Checkers just put more of the seasoning on it. And a lot of oil.
Yeah. It should do be oily.
We black. We sure is. Let's show up. Yeah, they really right there. We gonna really want there if you didn't want it. Popeyes. That's ghetto.
They ghetto.
Those kids lucky though. When they get out of school, they can buy themselves something to eat.
Who cares?
That's in school. Like for bad kids or kids that stay back or they want to skip a grade, they come here.
So this one got nothing to do with Dr. Phillip?
No. This is school.
How you know?
Because, I just know. And number 2, you got good. Yeah, thanks.
To skip a grade or because she stayed back?
I think because she got expelled from her school, so her parents.
What she got expelled for?
I don't know.
Ah! Hell no. Oh shit. Alright, I'm done with the video.
I forgot.
Exactly. Alright, you can end it. Just stop it.